Two AI coding agents, one terminal, zero mercy. So today we are putting OpenCode and Gemini CLI head to head. So OpenCode, it's actually an open source AI coding agent, as you may know. They are designed for developers who live in the terminal. It can read like repositories, edit files, run commands, execute tests, and connect with multiple AI models like ChatGPT, Cloud, and Gemini. Okay, so like think of it as like a developer first AI assistant with maximum flexibility and minimum lock-in. Gemini CLI here, it's Google's command line AI coding assistants powered by Gemini models. It focuses on integrating Google's AI ecosystem directly into developers' workflows, helping with code generation, debugging, explanation, and automation. It's built for developers who want like a smoother plug and play AI coding experience backed by Google's infrastructure. So if we look into some of the pros and cons of these two platforms here, so like open code here, actually it's fully open source. You can inspect the code, you can like customize workflow and everything, and it it's a terminal native power, so it's perfect for developers who already live inside the terminals and SSH sessions. And open code can actually run shell commands, modify files automatically and everything, and your code also stay locally depending on your setup, okay, which is like privacy friendly, which means all right. And Gemini here on the other hand, it's backed by Google AI, so you get access to Gemini's reasoning and massive support ecosystem. And the CLI is generally easier for beginners to set up and use, and they use strong natural language understanding, so they are very good at explaining codes and generating documentations, and they work naturally with Google Cloud and other Google developers. And it's fast for everyday tasks like quick debugging, generation scripting, everything, right? And the codes on the other hand here, so for open source, I would say that it has a steeper learning curve. Okay, so if you're not comfortable with terminal workflows, then this might be a bit intimidating, and the setup can be also complex as well, and the power comes with complexity because it's extremely customizable, so beginners may feel overwhelmed. Whereas Gemini here, it's less flexible. You're mostly locked into Google's ecosystem, and it's not fully open, so you don't really get the same transparency as open code, and you have a bit weaker agentic workflows compared to open code. So I would say for beginners, you can simply go with Gemini CLI. Okay, it's simple, clean, and easier to start off. And for power developers, I would suggest go with OpenCode if you want deep customization and multi-model supports. And for startups and teams, if privacy and flexibility matters for you, then OpenCode is the stronger option for you. And if your workflow already lives within the Google Cloud, then Gemini CLI might be the ideal option for you.